Hi friends, welcome to Achievers Bangla channel. If you not subscribe our channel till now, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification fast. Today I will discuss some important general knowledge question and answer. Those are important for upcoming exams. Let's start. Question number 1. Who was the first Indian to become member of British Parliament? The answer is D. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 2. Which country is the world's largest producer of coffee? The answer is Brazil. Brazil is the world's largest producer of coffee. Question number 3. Which was the first talkie film made in India? The answer is Alamera. Question number 4. Who wrote the famous novel The Guide? The answer is R.K. Narayan. Question number 5. What is the common name of sodium bicarbonate? The common name of sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Question number 5. Who was Akbar famous revenue minister? Todormol. Todormol was the Akbar famous revenue minister. Question number 7. Who invented the safety razor? The answer is Gillette. Question number 8. The idea of parliamentary form of government is adapted from which country? The answer is UK. Question number 9. Which instrument is used to measure pressure? The answer is barometer. Question number 10. In which year was the first World Environment Day observed? The answer is in 1972. Question number 11. How many states are there in the Indian Union? There are 29 states. Question number 12. How many Nobel Prize awards are awarded each year? The answer is 6. Question number 13. Name of the first Asian country to orbit Mars. The answer is India. Question number 14. When was the last telegram sent in India? In July 14. Question number 15. Which was the first linguistic state to be created? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16. World Wildlife Fund was founded in which year? The answer is in 1961. Question number 17. In which of the Round Table Conference Mahatma Gandhi participated? The answer is Second Round Table Conference held in 1931. Question number 18. Rand is the currency of which country? The answer is Namibia. Question number 19. What is the number of players on each side in rugby football? The answer is 15 players. Question number 20. How much of world surface is covered by water? The answer is 70%. Question number 21. Which is the largest reservoir of fresh water? The answer is glaciers. Question number 22. Which article of Indian Constitution deal with Election Commission? The answer is Article 324. Question number 23. Who proved that the path of each planet round the sun is elliptical? The answer is Kepler. Question number 24. When was the League of Nations established? The answer is in 1920. Question number 25. Who discovered the link between electricity and magnetism? The answer is Maxwell. Question number 26. Who is the author of the book Romancing with Life? The answer is Dev Anand. Question number 27. Which metal is the king of metals? The answer is gold. Question number 28. On which day Earth Day is celebrated? The answer is 22nd April. Question number 29. Kathakali is the dance prevalent in which state? The answer is Kerala. Question number 30. Who is called the father of economies? The answer is Adam Smith. That's all. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on next video. Thank you.